How would you feel if Power Rangers SPD got a season 2? What if their story didn't end in 2025, but evolved into something bigger, bolder, more real than ever before? Comment below and tell us, what does Power Rangers mean to you? It's now the year 2040, and the heroes we once knew have become legends. Sky Tate is now commander of an entire galaxy. Bridge Carson serves the interdimensional division of SPD. Sidney Drew commands Earth's defenses, holding the front lines against rising threats. And Boom, no longer comic relief, he's the tech genius building Zords, ships, and wormhole systems. Commander Kruger has finally retired. And Kat Manx, she now serves as president of the intergalactic government. But peace never lasts forever. Earth, now the capital of the universe, is connected to millions of planets through wormhole technology. And with power comes danger. Criminal empire, rogue factions, corrupt politicians. They want Earth. They want SPD. Because whoever controls the core controls the cosmos. But where darkness rises, so do new heroes. A new SPD team. Young, resilient, and ready. The Blue Ranger, Kale, a tactical genius. The Pink Ranger, Ziri, bold, fearless, and full of heart. The Yellow Ranger, Dex, silent, deadly, precise. The Green Ranger, Lyra, explosive in combat, yet deeply kind. And returning from the future, Omega and Nova Rangers. And standing tall in his father's armor, Kruger's son, the new Shadow Ranger. Not as stern as his father, but full of heart. He doesn't lead through command. He unites through love. And then, they found him, a rogue ranger, a lone warrior, wearing a cracked Zeo morpher. The Red Zeo Ranger, eliminating corrupted rangers, one by one. His name is James Oliver, son of the legendary Tommy Oliver. Tommy died, trying to save other rangers. But no one came. James' sister was taken, brainwashed, twisted. The SPD Power Rangers tracked down James and defeated him through teamwork. They brought him to SPD headquarters, where Sidney, instead of punishing him, offered him a second chance. She reminded him that Jack, the former SPD Red Ranger, was also a thief before becoming a Power Ranger. James, who had been alone all his life, felt this warmth and affection for the first time. He was confused, but he agreed to join the team. James lived for one thing, vengeance. Until he found purpose. During an operation to protect Ziri, James shattered his Zeo crystal, sacrificing everything that day. Something more began. A bond. A spark. The beginning of something real. SPD gave him a new chance. A family. A future. They handed him the SPD morpher. And he became the new Red Ranger. They promised him something more. That they would find his sister. And with access to over 84 lakh crore living beings across the universe. That promise wasn't impossible, just a matter of time. But when James found her, she was no longer the girl he remembered. Now, she's one of the galaxy's most feared enemies. Twisted into believing that her father died. Abandoned. Alone. What she didn't know was that many Rangers tried to save Tommy. And died doing so. That truth was buried. As the universe expanded, so did greed. Politicians created division to control populations. Corporations turned planets into factories. Galaxies were mined, stars consumed, for profit. Few planets left could grow food. And only a few stood to protect them. SPD stood against it all. This isn't just a story of good versus evil. It's a story of love, blooming in war. Of vengeance, transformed by truth. Of responsibility, that spans galaxies. Of one man trying to save his sister. And a team trying to save the universe. Because good versus evil is a never-ending war. Some stay good, only because they never got the chance to be evil. And when evil falls, the fake good rise to take its place. But some are good from the heart. Like the Rangers, like SPD, like the ones who feed the poor and protect the weak. Yes, good always wins. No doubt. But the deeper truth is, this battle never ends.